What's up, Dot Nation? You want to learn how to make a growl like this?
La 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 la.
Well, that is a completely different tutorial, but I can show you how to make a hyper growl like this. Let's talk about it.
I literally found your hyper growl tutorial, and this is the first thing I made with it. This is the first thing that came out. I was just following it step by step.
Like that. No, you did something else.
So I've got the wavetable position moving. Did that resample thing that I've never used before I saw that tutorial. The high pass with the resonance peak. Did the LFO the same as you did. I did the bend plus exactly how you did. Did some EQing, a little bit of movement on there. Dimension expander, a little bit of flange, exactly like you did. Bit of chorus, I think static chorus, is it?
It's just crazy though, because it's got like this like...
Let's see what it sounds like without... That's what it sounds like on its own. And then a bit of EQ movement. A little bit more grit coming from that. And then a lot of it comes from the chorus, I think, and then the compressor. And then distortion?
I think it's the chorus and the initial high pass filter. You tune that perfectly.
You can make it really squeak down there, or you can get it.
That sounds.
Yeah, about there. And then I think I got a bit of resonator, which just adds that metallic, nasty. Yeah, it's on A sharp.
For someone to achieve what the resonator is doing right here in another DAW like Ableton, what would you recommend them to use?
I would use the same plugin because that's a third-party plugin, right?
It is a third party. Oh, okay.
It's Kilohertz Resonator.
Yeah, kilohertz.
Never mind.
But in Ableton, you could use the resonator effect in Ableton that's built in.
This is a small little snippet of our In the Dot episode that we did with Chime breaking down his song, Voidwalkers. If you want to check out that full walkthrough, plus get a free sample pack from the sounds that were made from Voidwalkers, there is a link down below, or you can head on over to dotnation.net/Voidwalkers. Go check it out right now.